This is a question to balance this given redox equation using half reaction method in the basic medium. First we will balance it in the acid medium. Then we will go for the basic medium. So let us first divide this into the two half reactions. Let us choose an equation having chromium in it, CrO4 2 minus, giving on the right hand side we have CrOH thrice having chromium. Both are having chromium. In the next one we can write Mg giving MgOH twice. OH twice. So we have both the half reactions. Now let us deal with this one. CrO4 2 minus giving CrOH thrice. Let us first look at the atoms other than oxygen or hydrogen, that is chromium. Both sides one atom of chromium each. On the left hand side we have 4 oxygen atoms, and on the right hand side we have only 3 oxygen atoms, OH thrice. So let us add a molecule of water to the right hand side. Now we have balanced the oxygen atoms, but what about the hydrogens? 2 here and 3 here. So we need to add 5 H plus ions to the left hand side. Now all the atoms are balanced. Hydrogen, oxygen, chromium, all are balanced. We need to look at the charges now. Right hand side there is no charge, no overall charge. Then on the molecules. Then here we have minus 2 and here we have plus 5 from the 5H plus. So minus 2 and plus 5, we will get a resultant charge of plus 3. So let us balance that by adding 3 electrons. So now the charges on both sides are equal. Here it becomes 0 and here also it is 0. So charges are also balanced. Let us take the next equation. Mg giving MgOH twice. Magnesium atoms are balanced, but the oxygen and hydrogen atoms are not. So let us first deal with the oxygens. There are 2 oxygen atoms here. So in order to give 2 oxygen atoms here also, we can add 2 molecules of water, 2H2O. This is what we do while we are balancing equations in the acid medium. In order to add more oxygen atoms, we add equal number of water molecules. And here now we have 4 hydrogens, 2H2O. So 4 hydrogen atoms. And here we have only 2 hydrogen atoms. So to balance the hydrogens, we will need 2 more hydrogens here. So we will add 2H plus ions. Now look at the charges. Here no charge on the left hand side, but on the right hand side we have 2 plus 2. To make it equal to the left hand side, we will add 2 more electrons. Electrons are always added to the more positive side or the side having more charge. So now it's all balanced. But we don't see electrons in a balanced equation. So we have to remove the electrons. So let us make the number of electrons the same so that we can cancel them out. LCM of 2 and 3. Here we have 3 electrons, here we have 2 electrons. 2 and 3 is 6. So we can make them equal to 6. So for making these 3 electrons to 6 electrons, we can multiply this equation by 2. And to make these 2 electrons equal to 6 electrons, we can multiply this by 3. So let us multiply and write both the equations. So 2 into 3, 6 electrons plus 2 into 5, 10H plus 2 2CrO4 2 minus, giving 2CrOH thrice plus 2H2O. So this equation is done. This is our first equation. The next one, 6H2O plus, we are multiplying it by 3. So 3 mg, giving 3 mg OH twice plus 3 into 2, 6 H plus 6 electrons. So this is our second equation. Now before adding, we can cancel out the electrons. 6 electrons here on the right hand side, 6 on the left hand side. They are gone. Now what else is common? We have 6 H plus ions here and 10 H plus there. So we can remove these 6 H plus and cut this 10 and write 4, because 10 minus 6 will give us 4 H plus. Here 2 H2O and here 6 H2O. So this 2 H2O will go and 6 minus 2 will give us 4. So this is 4 H2O. Now they are ready to be added. Let us add 2CrO4 2 minus plus 3 Mg plus 4H plus 4H plus 4H2O H2O, giving 2CrOH thrice plus 3 MgOH twice. So this is our equation, balanced equation in the acid medium. Now if we want to, or we need to balance it in the basic medium, sorry, what should we do? We have to look at the number of H plus ions. Here we have 4 H plus ions. So we need to add 4 OH minus ions here. We shouldn't be having any H plus ions in the basic medium. This is for the acid medium. So we are neutralizing it with 4 OH minus. So when we are adding it on the left hand side, we need to add it to the right hand side also, 4 OH minus. Now when we add 4 H plus and 4 OH minus, we will get 4 molecules of water, isn't it? H plus and OH minus. So let us write the new equation, 2CrO4 2 minus plus 3 Mg plus 4H plus and 4OH minus 4H2O plus another 4H2O is here. We should have added both together, giving 2CrOH thrice plus 3 MgOH twice plus these 4 OH minus, 4 OH minus. Now we need to add these two water molecules, these 4 water molecules plus 4 water molecules together. So we will get 2CrO4 2 minus plus 3 Mg plus 4 plus 4, 8 H2O, giving 2CrOH thrice plus 3 Mg OH twice plus 4 OH minus. So this is our balanced redox equation. This is in the basic medium.